Looks sore. It looks sore. You see red in there. I don't know if that's his raw flesh or it's the feathers trying to grow again. There's a gash down his neck. I wonder what happened to the poor bugger. He's always hanging out, waiting for seeds. And as I say, he's got no mate. Tough life being a bird, I'd say. Tough life. Commotions going on. Well, I hope that wound heals up. I hope it heals up. The rest of you is looking pretty good. I wonder what it was that got you. Might have been a Fascogale, little marsupial predator that whips around the trees of a night and bites birds' heads off. Could have been a Fascogale. It was something's going on there. It looks like, I don't know, maybe just an accident. No, I've gone for Fascogale. You look out for that Fascogale, don't let him bite your head off. Fascogales.